Alright, hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a online fighting game or multiplayer fighting game on Scratch. Now, here is a basically preview of the project finished. Um, it's still an alpha, so there's nothing too good to it right now. Now, the animations are up to yourself, basically. I have my own animations, and project's gonna take a bit to load because I know my Wi-Fi isn't too good up here. But see, here is a preview. Kick. And then L for lightning. There's lightning, and then another kick. I guess now the game's broken, so that's the main reason why I'm starting it over again. So I'm just gonna keep spamming L because I know for whatever the reason this game is completely broken. So we're basically making a new one, brand new script and everything, because this game kind of died. Alright, so basically there was a lot of bugs in that game, so yeah. So we're going to go to projects and we're going to go into the editor. Let's go to Untitled. I'll just keep it with no name for now, honestly. Okay, so first you want to design your character. I'm going to design mine. I recommend Vector. So basically, first thing we're gonna have to do is get the join script. So basically we want to get their coordinates. Does not matter actually for not now. So first write P1 costume, click cloud variable. Yeah, okay. So and then you want to make the P2 player 2, if that wasn't obvious enough. And then click cloud variable. Now that that's made, you want to go into this and, sorry, accidentally hit my mic. And forever, make a forever script. And then you go into set and find the set costume script. Actually, I think, yeah, switch costume. 2 and then P1 costume. So basically, that's the first step. Now, you want to draw the backdrops. Alright, so now we've got the backdrop. So now after we have the backdrop, we're gonna have to make the script for the script for kicking inactive players and everything. So be right back. Alright, so now I've got an idea for the script. So basically, when the game starts, it will check this. So basically, it will go over everything. So make an if script. Actually, P1 check. Make a P1 check on cloud. Not sure if it has to be cloud actually, but set it to cloud anyways, just in case. And make a P2 check and set that to cloud as well. And now that you have the P2 check and the P1 check, basically you want to actually you don't need that for now. So basically you want to get two sets. So you want to drag those sets to this, set one of them to P1 check, P1 check, and set that to P1 costume and then P2 costume, and now basically how about like 5 seconds, and then say if. And then, I think there'll be enough. So, alright. So, basically, if P2, P1 costume equals P2 check, not P2 check, P1 check, then set basically. We'll make a P1 kick. Now make a variable called P1 kick, and then make P2 kick after that. Sorry. And then P2 kick. And now that you've done that, you want to set basically. So if that's so equals that, then set P2 P1 kick to. Set P1 kick to 1, and now set, and basically it'll be set. Oh, actually, make it wait 1 second. Set kick to 0, and then make an ID. I should have done that earlier. Sorry for the background noise. Set. Shut the hell up! Shut the hell up! Fuck. Shut the hell up! hopefully she shut up now. Now set ID to 1. Now, if else, it'll check now if the P2 is still the same. So if P2 check equals P2 costume, set P2 kick to 1. Set P2 kick to 1. Now set ID to, actually, wait, wait 1 second, then, and then set it to 0, and then set ID, to 2. And if else, then just stop all, because there's no more space on the server. Now, that should basically work. And if else, actually, and if else, it will have to, set ID to, sorry, I forgot to add this part, so, actually, I think that's right. Well, we'll have to test it out first. Let's go to save now. Make sure you save this. You've wasted 10 minutes of your life doing that. Actually, this video probably isn't as long as it is because, I kind of spent most of the time drawing my backdrop and everything. So it'll wait about 5 seconds, and in 5 seconds my ID should be set to 1. Now that's a good job. Now, set ID to 0 in the beginning as well. Make sure you do this, that's really important. Now basically, it should do this again. My ID 0. It should be set to 1 within 5 seconds. Actually, 6. Alright, my ID has been set to 1. So, the reason there's IDs is because it's the one thing. So, another person isn't really controlling your character. So now, we'll make up the first kick, the first attack. So basically, you want to animate your player's attack.
Yeah, oh, cool.
My mom is in here right now.
You know what we're going to do? Is we're going to move the bureau to be there, and we'll move that desk over there eventually. Shayba?
Yeah.
Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
And we will get you your air conditioner in at some point. I'm going to try this one that's in your closet. I'm going to try that one and see if it works. It's actually not that bad.
Shut the door behind you.
Why, are you having private conversations?
No, I'm making a tutorial on Scratch.
What's up? Dobby's mom and dad might just peek in because they might be just looking at that room.
Yeah, that's fine. Sorry guys, my mom walked in. Anyways, you want to go on that, you want to click on the legs. Basically, you want to erase those legs, make up the kicking animation, probably try and make them the same length that they were before. Fuck. And I'll mute that out. Or probably not, but... Alright, so what I'd like to do is make the face red. You may not like that, that's your choice, I don't really care. I like to make them mad and stuff like that. Alright, so there we go. We got the animation. Maybe you want to make a little text. In case not, and you're not like a big nerd, you may not want to do this, but, maybe I did, so, I sound sick in this video, don't I? You want to set the background, yeah. Actually, I guess I'll have to fix that. Oh, God. You know what? what? Screw the text. I don't really think you need a text saying BAM anyways. So there you go. You got your first text. The animation isn't that good, but you know, it's still good. It's pretty good. So now, so basically, we'll put this on a if script. So if ID, you know, ID equals 1, set P1 costume.
Is this Candace's room? My closet.
About 0 point maybe 6 seconds, and then set it back to 1. And now basically it's set back to 1. So that's the main attack right now. That's like your first attack. Now you basically want to duplicate your character. Basically turn around all their attacks. If I were you, I'd probably want to remake the kick attack because it looks horrible. Alright, you know, actually it doesn't look that bad. Now, this one you have to really set everything else different. So switch costume to P2 costume, and that would be better. So basically an if ID equals 2, and then set these to P2 and P2. So basically, if we go out here, we'll wait for our things to set. Oh yeah, so basically, I know we want to set the project on a timer for every about, so just in case if it gets stuck on a different costume, just about every 2, alright, make that a forever script, every 2 seconds, you might want to have it set, the P2 costume and the P1 costume back to 1, so they're on their default costumes. So we've set that now. Basically, in about 3 seconds, now they're back to their costumes. So you can tell that works. Now it appears it's having trouble right now. Okay, so now kick. Now that worked. Kick. Now we've got that down, so I'll get the next episode out probably tonight, for how to make the damage work now. So stay tuned.